So in today's video, let's try to use the openclaw to archive the Gmail's verified promotional set in the blog. It is very conservative because it doesn't delete, trash, or unsubscribe or mark spam. It only removes the inbox placement for the already validated query. And this archive just matching the threads by removing the inbox label. So this will just repeat the same conservative action until there's no matches remain, and it's finished the same save and archive rules in repeated batches until the search is empty. We pick the account context and take a read-only inbox snapshot. So before any agentic cleanup, we make the target account explicit. So later the comments do not draft to another token, right? And then we inspect the inbox state without modifying anything. It just the GOG supports the account selection via the GOG account, and the GOG Gmail labels get the inbox.json, which includes the label counts, and the GOG Gmail search to filter emails in the inbox that are unread. So this is the documented read or search path that we will use to design the cleanup prompts and workflows. And then let's try to create the agent cleanup policy file in terminal. So this is the context engineering, and our sample inbox is dominated by the promotions and newsletters. So before we get to the agents, any agency will have to define the explicit goal like constraints and heuristics, so that can reduce the draft and prevent any catastrophic actions. We are not cleaning up yet, right? We just specify the decision policy, and that agent will follow later. And then we inject the inbox cleanup rules into the openclaw's always loaded agents context. So this is the key context engineering move. The openclaw injects the agent markdown into every session. So placing the cleanup policy there makes it part of the agent's default operating instruction rather than one of the prompt. So this is the robust and is more agentic way than just parsing the rule ad hoc each turn. So before we send any prompt, we have to enumerate the configured agent ID so that we can discover the valid openclaw agent ID. And now let's try to target configured agent explicitly. So before any cleanup, we have to run a read-only audit through the openclaw. So the openclaw's agent CLI executes one agent turn, and its prompt is built from bootstrap context, such as agent.md plus our pretend messages. So this combines a very stable policy with a very nano dry run task. There's no Gmail changes that are allowed it, right? As we all know, the GOG is explicitly support the Gmail search and the message management, but the prudent agentic pattern is to verify the candidate search first and then mutate second. So before we making any inbox changes, we need to validate the block rule with GOG. So this lets you inspect whether the search is accidentally capture anything important before we archive in bump. So if the sample looks like very clean, right, then the next step is to actually archive the command. So after this very high volume batch action, we need an observability checkpoint before we design the next cleanup rule. So we have to measure the new inbox state, which is the current inbox total, and then we test whether this exact block rule is now extracted, which is the safest agentic pattern after mutation now.